Bonjour à tous. First of all, I would like to thank all those people who sent me messages of concern about my health. I'm okay. I'm going at a slower pace now, but I'm sure everything will be fine. Thank you so much. And then a special thank you to Gypsy and Larry for their contributions to the channel via buymeacoffee.com, and I'll put that money aside because I'm saving up for the gazebo for the garden, and I'll show you as soon as I've bought that gazebo, and that will finish off the garden. And today's theme is what's new. So I have a few things that are new around here, so let's get to that first. I have something, a living thing, that moved into my garden. I think it's quite some time ago. I've seen it here before. It's a red fox, and let me show you. Yes, so he looks quite relaxed, or she, I don't know. But the troubling news is that Patrick and Nadège visited me the other evening, and they asked me whether I've seen a red fox around. I kept quiet because at that stage I wasn't quite sure it was in my garden. But apparently this red fox is killing all the chickens of my neighbor. So I'll have to get rid of it. I don't know how, but I'll call the Mary and ask them. Then what else is new? Let me show you. I'm going to put up the wall sconce that I bought at the Brokant. So let's do that first. I've decided to put it up here and not where I thought in the first place, because that is a stone wall, and my drill won't go through that. So I decided to put it up here in this empty space. Now, a while ago, I started discussing challenges, possible challenges, when moving to France or visiting France, and there were quite a few new things that I had to get used to. For example, if you get invited by the French for either dinner or lunch, you are not allowed to arrive on time. You have to arrive at least 10 minutes late. And that is out of courtesy to the host or hostess if they, by any chance, will be running late, so in preparation. So in my job in South Africa, I always had to be on time, so it's very difficult for me to get used to that, but lately I set my alarm clock 10 minutes late or 15 minutes late so that I do not arrive on time. And then the other thing is post boxes. In South Africa, you have a multitude of different post boxes. In France, you need to buy a standard post box. And the reason for that is so that if you are not at home and something gets delivered, I often buy something through Amazon, then the person from La Poste has a master key and they can open your post box and put it inside for you if it fits. It's not too large. But let me show you what it looks like. As it is still raining, I'm not going to go outside, but there you can see the standard post box. Now, something else that is new to me is the fact that we get bin collection. I keep my bin in the pantry. So bin collection every second week, and you pay per weight. So I think that forces people to recycle, and therefore I have my recycling bin here. So everything that can be recycled I put in this bin, and then eventually I will take it to the recycle bins. Something else that is new, a while ago I bought 4 of these at the Dutch Brokant in Chalet, and I have to figure out, there are 4 of them, what I'm going to do with them, but I thought this would look nice on the fridge, just to break the black. Maybe one there and maybe one down there, I'm not sure. I'll see, but I'll show you once it's done. And the other 2 I might use upstairs, one in the spare bedroom and one in my bedroom for the fireplace. And I thought it would look nice there. rain gave me half an hour to quickly finish this lawn. So I've done the pavement in the front and gave this lawn its first mowing. So much easier than the gravel. Well, I suppose that is that for today. Hopefully I'll see you next week Friday. If not, definitely the Friday after that, because something new in Chalet is the French restaurant that opened recently. Very popular, and I would like to visit the restaurant and show you. So I think I'm going there for lunch quite soon. And something else I wanted to ask you, if you could tell me in the comments whether you would like an updated tour of my house, because many things have changed over time, and you might want to see what I've done so far inside the house. So let me know, please. Thank you so much for watching and for all your support. Thank you. Till next time. A bientôt.